For the past 7 years, the Concerned Citizens for Seniors group has been working to improve the quality of care for the elderly in the border city, including wanting the Prairie North Health Region to reconsider tearing down 2 of the wings at the Dr. Cooke Care Facility. But their recent progress has been touch and go. Kelsea has the latest.
In early March, a stop work order was put in place, essentially stalling the demolition of the south and central wings at the Dr. Cooke Extended Care Facility, a welcome relief for the group, which has met on a weekly basis for a number of years. But then the election was called in Alberta, and the progress made was put on hold.
In some ways, the election was a good thing because it allowed us to put this on the front burner. So actually, perhaps the election helped us as much as it hindered us. As much as it stalled things, it also stalled the demolition of the Dr. Cooke.
They are now waiting for newly elected MLA Richard Starkey to get his feet wet and get things rolling once again.
We've also got a new Minister of Infrastructure, so we're also waiting to hear from the Department of Infrastructure. But we do know that Dr. Starkey is pursuing this and has been talking to the new Minister of Infrastructure. So we think the groundwork is being laid, but we will know a lot more in the next week or two.
In my eyes, it's a high priority. As far as the rest of the government and the ministry, we're going to work to try to make it as high up on their list as we possibly can make it as well. We're going to have the infrastructure minister, Mr. Drysdale. I've already spoken with him about the building, told him what the history is, and urged him to, or encouraged him to come out.
And while they wait, Sellers says they want to spread awareness, having created a new brochure to help residents get informed, outlining some of their suggestions for the building.
There's a great need for all kinds of services in Lloydminster. We've got a facility there. Let's renovate it. Let's make it functional. Let's look to the future.
He adds often people don't know about the needs for more beds in Lloydminster until they are directly affected. Kelsea, Newcap News.